In this video, I'll show you how to add main image to product in WooCommerce. As an example, let's take a look at this product, coffee table. As you can see, it's missing the main image. So I'll go ahead and re-add one. At first, let's log into WordPress dashboard, and then on the left side of the screen, hover on products, and then click on all products. Now let's locate the product in question. In my case is this one, coffee table. As you can see, it's missing the main image. Now let's click on edit. Once the product editor loads at the top right corner, click on screen options, and then click on the product image. And now scroll a bit down, and on the right side of the screen, look for the product image section, and then click on set product image. Right in here, you can select an existing image from the media library, or you can upload a brand new image. As in my case, I would like to upload a brand new image. For that, let's click on upload files. Let me upload the file from my desktop. Let's pick this image. Let's drag it right over here. As in my case, it's square image. It's 1000 by 1000 pixels. Now make sure it's selected, and then click on set product image. And finally, don't forget to click update. Now let me go back to my website. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, the coffee table product now features the main image. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.